Step out.
What?
Step out of the vehicle.
What?
Step out of the vehicle. I'll explain it to you.
You need to talk to my... You know what? Get your supervisor over here.
I am the supervisor. Get out of the car.
For what?
But turn around, put your hands
For
behind
what?
your back.
For
Tell me that
what?
right
What did
now.
I do?
I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do? I don't...
Stop.
Knock it off.
I'm gonna break...
On December 19th, 2025, 5 officers were dispatched to a reported domestic disturbance. En route, officers observed the known suspect driving away from the scene and initiated a traffic stop. The suspect refused to exit the vehicle, physically resisted arrest, and was subsequently taken into custody. He was charged with resisting arrest, obstruction, and domestic battery. Case outcome remains unknown.
Lady. Got H12, I got it. Southbound over the bridge. Catching up to it. Yeah. You got charged, right? Well, we're coming to a stop at the bottom of the bridge. Southbound. Hold the window down. Step out.
What?
Step out of the vehicle.
What?
Step out of the vehicle. I'll explain it to you.
You need to talk to my... You know what? Get your supervisor over here.
I am the supervisor. Get out of the car.
For what?
But turn around, put your hands
For
behind
what?
your back.
For
Tell me that
what?
right
What
now.
did I do?
I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do? I don't understand what I did wrong.
I'll explain it to you in a minute. But this isn't the way things go.
Sit up.
Give me your
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing this today.
You're gonna get tased.
For what?
You're gonna get tased. You're under arrest.
For what?
Hey, step it up.
You guys, I did nothing wrong.
What do you want?
Dean's got the cuff there.
Ow,
grab the
what? You
Stop
guys,
fucking fighting.
for
Hey,
what?
Stop.
Knock it off.
I'm gonna break your wrist.
Stop it.
Got that shit on body camera. Get that shit on body camera. They're up against
You're not
me.
under arrest right now, but you're going to be.
You guys don't even
Stop.
know what the f happened. Arrest for what? For what? Just the cuffs on, bro.
Put your right hand over.
I can't. You guys have them. Are you stupid? Jesus. You guys over here about my mom, huh? About my mom? Is that why you guys are here? What'd she tell you? What'd she tell you? Do I gotta put that do I gotta show you the video?
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing. Do I gotta show you guys the video? Do I gotta show you guys the video of her bothering me?
Can you?
Calm down for what?
Calm down.
I was going to get my shit.
I'm.
You guys don't know shit. This is what happens all the time. It's always my. Oh, just take me. I want to go.
We're going to take you.
I want to go. You guys can hear me say I want to go. I'm done with this shit. I don't want to do this shit no more. I'm done. I don't want to do this shit no more. Arrest me. I'm done. This is. I'm glad you guys are taking me. Just take me. This is stupid. Are you actually the supervisor?
I sure am.
I don't believe your ass.
Okay, well, there's my boss right there.
I want to talk to him because he seems like the supervisor.
Okay.
Threaten me, tell me you're gonna break my wrist. You guys, break my wrist. I want you guys to.
If you would do what you're told.
Do what I'm told.
I told you to step out of the vehicle and you didn't do it.
You walked up to me all tense and shit, acting like I was gonna do some shit to you, bro.
And then you.
I had my. I turned the keys off. I put my hands on the steering wheel. I put my hands out the goddamn window, and you're like, get out the car. I'm like, why? What did I do? You had no reason to detain me right away. You had no reason.
That's not true.
Oh, then what's the reason? What's the reason?
Because I told you to. We're investigating.
That's not a reason, bro. That's not a reason.
We're investigating.
I want to talk to him.
We're investigating a domestic.
Okay.
Just bring it
I want to
down.
talk to him.
Bring it down
I
and
want to talk
talk.
to him.
Just bring it down and talk to him.
Who's the dude? Is that dude the passenger? A passenger? No, he's my rider.
Long story short, my dad's getting involved. My sister's chiming in. They're all ganging up on me. They're not. They're freaking out and whatnot. So I'm freaking out.
So it's getting chaotic.
Yeah.
And everyone's screaming.
Everyone's screaming and yelling at me, telling me, why the aren't you downstairs cooking your food? You don't gotta like, I already have like 3 pieces of chicken done and cooked on the stove. Like, I don't understand why people are coming up to me now.
Chicken assault. Chicken battery. We don't have any charges on him. We don't have any charges on him. I mean, unless Aaron has charges on him there from the house.
Obstructing. Alicia just said she's going to charge him with domestic.
I mean, yeah, he threw a piece of chicken at her. There's a chicken stain. So.
You chuck chicken at her?
Well, I guess she tried when she went to go call 911. He took her phone too. So he's not supposed to be at the house. He's evicted.
Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Reasonable articulable suspicion justifies the stop. No traffic violation needed. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977. Officers may order any driver out during a lawful stop, no exceptions. For what? Does not override that authority. Refusal to exit constitutes obstruction immediately. Physical resistance during handcuffing independently satisfies resisting arrest under most state statutes. Graham versus Connor, 1989. Force is judged by objective reasonableness at the moment of the decision. Escalation to soft, empty hand control was proportionate. However, one officer threatened to break the wrist. Verbal threats of injury during arrest can constitute excessive force under civil rights law. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, protects against compelled statements, not voluntary disclosures. Subject spoke freely before rights were read. Volunteered statements are admissible without prior warning. Victim confirmed. Subject threw food at her, then seized her phone to block a 911 call. Both acts satisfy domestic battery. Phone seizure is a standalone offense in most jurisdictions. Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Probable cause assessed by totality of circumstances. Both elements are met. Officers correctly withheld charges until victim confirmed proper application of the dual-aggressor doctrine.
Hey man, let me just read this to you real quick.
Oh, hold on. She assaulted me.
Hold on, before you continue talking, I have to read this.
You know, we're just talking, but
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say cannot be used against you in a court of law. So you understand the rights I just read to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to fucking take these off, but can you just loosen them like
Here, go ahead, send them out. I'll check them out.
tiny bit?
yeah, I mean, you're being cooperative and things get out. Yeah, you are a big deal. What are you, like 6'2"?
6'3".
I'll see.
He's
Fairly close.
He's not that big.
I was fairly close.
She was coming up to me, swiping sauce all over my face. I don't know if you
I take it you guys don't get along that
My
great.
mom and
She lets you stay there though?
that's what I'm saying.
Do you pay rent?
No one.
They just let you stay there.
They literally evict me.
Hey man, so real quick, let me just hop in here.
Yeah, yeah.
So one, I kind of want to get you off of 47.
You gotta do.
But right now, I just want to let you know you are evicted from the residence. Right? We saw the paperwork.
Yeah.
However that all went, they finally decided that they want you gone.
That's fine.
Cool.
I want that to happen.
Okay.
But if that's gonna happen,
Just listen to him. Let him explain.
yeah.
And as of right now, you are under arrest for resisting right now.
Okay.
Okay. What's gonna happen is we're gonna take you down to the jail. They're gonna process you. You'll probably be released here in a little bit.
The truck you're driving, is it yours?
So-
Whose name is it in?
it's under my mom's.
So, could she say, that's my truck and you're not driving it?
Yeah. So yeah.
All right, I just don't want to run into that problem.
Yeah.
Hey man, I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Yeah,
let me just take and get you off the road.
Let's do this.
You good? I know you're big. If you scoot, yeah, just sit sideways like that. There you go.
I think she's going to charge him with domestic.
Okay. I just told him about the resisting for now.
Yeah, obstructing resisting.
Okay. You got the paperwork? You're gonna do the paperwork? You want me to? Okay. Right now, it's got to get towed, man, because it's just where it's at.
How am I supposed to leave then?
We're gonna let it. Where are you planning on staying? Are you planning on staying somewhere up here?
Man, I'm just trying to go. That's all I was trying to do.
I hear you, man. Listen, like my deputy chief was saying, when we show up, all we hear is what they tell us, right?
Yeah.
So, and just hear me out. So when my sergeant pulls up and he asks you to get out of the car, as far as we know, all we know is you're a big dude and you've been hostile to your parents, right? That's all we know.
Oh, you're right.
So when they ask you to get out, it's not because he's trying to be a or whatever.
Well, if I can, I'd like to apologize.
He'll be down there, man. And we don't take it personal. I guarantee you'll apologize and he'll be like,
I don't want to be seen as the fucking guy that's just a big old fucking asshole 24/7.
I get it, man.
I don't want to live my life like this.
And we don't see you like that, man. Okay, that's why we just we don't know who you are at all. So all we get is one side, and that's
I'm just a kid trying to get by, bro. That's all. Like, I was just trying to go to my friend's house.
If you don't mind me asking, man, what's the reason they wanted you out of the house initially?
It's just all this bullshit, bro. It's just this constant bickering between my mom and I. My mom and I are so similar, it's not even funny, but we just don't get along.
You just butt heads?
All the time, dude. And it's just everyone gangs up on my house, and it's like I feel trapped, and then I fucking explode because I got everyone fucking screaming and yelling at me.
I get it, man. It's home life, man. Especially, you know what, man? I'm not trying to say, I know everything, but at your age, home life gets a little difficult.
Grading officers B+. Stop, force, and post-arrest de-escalation were lawful and professional. Deduction. Verbal threat of injury and delayed explanation of detention basis created unnecessary escalation. Grading subject C+. Every charge stemmed directly from refusing a Mimms authorized exit order. Deduction. Spontaneous self-incrimination before Miranda and prolonged confrontational posture. Grading department. B. Force and Miranda standards met. Verbal conduct gap requires corrective training. Lessons learned. A lawful exit order cannot be refused. Silence is free. Unwarned statements are not. Officers state the detention basis early. Verbal threats carry the same liability as physical force. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.